vlog Una Buna Duna Italian Ora. तो हम आ गए हैं रोम इटली में और ये है कॉलोसियम एंड दिस इज सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड इधर होते थे एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमंस के साथ लड़ाई. कम चलो अंदर जाते हैं और देखते हैं कि यहाँ रोम पे कैसा लगता है. रोम इज सो प्रिटी. मैं पहली बार इटली विजिट कर रही हूँ एंड इट इज जस्ट Italian kiss. Okay, so this is finally day 2 of Italy. Day 1 was very hectic. इसलिए ज़्यादा record नहीं हुआ. And we are going to the Vatican today. And आज, fun fact, I went to a Catholic high school. So आज हम जाएंगे mass. We'll go to the Catholic church and where the church actually started. So I think so. And this is the beautiful view and streets of Italy. And it's so gorgeous. और हमने यहाँ गाड़ी रेंट की हुई है. So it's so much more easier क्योंकि यहाँ walking बहुत ज़्यादा है. So we're going to the St. Peter's Basilica. And इतनी लंबी लाइन है. I think it's because it's a Sunday. But oh my goodness. So हम अब enter करने वाले हैं the most beautiful palace ही बोल सकते हो. Oh, that's the one. कहीं पे भी देखोगे it's such beautiful art and more than that especially seeing like the stories on the wall, it is so beautiful. So I'm finally आ गए inside the building and it is so beautiful. हर एक जगह it is like a new story and it's so beautiful. And especially I used to read the Bible because I was in a Catholic school and you can see the scripture and the stuff on the wall. It's unreal. जितने details आपको कैमरा में दिख रहे हैं it's much more in person. It's insane, and especially the artwork is crazy. Like imagine कि ये कितने सालों पहले हुआ है and it's most detailed and most like best architecture I've ever seen in my life. और आप सोचो कि इतने पहले ज़माने में उन्होंने ऐसे बनाया होगा and so much beautiful. और आप ये सोचो there's not a single rust, there's not a single breakage, there's nothing. Like it's so well, it's crazy. और इतने पुराने ज़माने में imagine how blessed this place is. The first pope, he died here. And I think every pope in history has come here, obviously. So we just finished doing a prayer right here. So this is Mother Mary. Fun fact, the Catholic school I went to, we preach Mother Mary most out of everything. And this is amazing. And being able to do a prayer in such a holy place where the Pope was here. We just listened to the Pope and you can hear the music in the back. It is one of the most holiest Catholic places in the entire world and we got to experience it and I feel so blessed. And even though we can't understand it, it still makes you feel so beautiful and it makes you feel like so peace. It's insane. Literally every place. I've never seen anything like that. And that's someone, a human being, like you and me. So look at the details. Let's go up. I'm pretty sure this is all made out of pure gold, pure marble, and pure everything. And imagine, उस ज़माने में we don't have Home Depot, you guys. So they're like code के. It's insane कि इतना ज़्यादा advanced system back in those days is insane. And the fact that this is a holy place and it's so beautiful. And you see the stories all around. And it is literally, अगर आपको कैमरा में अच्छा लग रहा है, you cannot imagine seeing it with your eyes. It is insane, and it is literally one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen with my own eyes. Like you would never, like आप कहीं भी देखो, beautiful. Okay, long story short, हमने train ली है now. In the beautiful city of Florence, and हम जा रहे हैं Dome में. And this is so pretty. And these are the streets. And we are going to go to a lot of more different places with trains. It is so beautiful here. और यहाँ गर्मी भी है और यहाँ मैं भी हूँ और यहाँ party हो रही है और प्रार्थना हो रही है. इतनी बार हम चर्च गए. But it's so nice here and oh my goodness. आप Lily, I don't care. कहीं पे भी जाओ. हम market पे गए, grocery stores पे गए. Everything's architecture. Random building. कितने भी हो. It's so nice. It is beautiful. तो हम आ गए हैं चर्च पे and it is so beautiful. Let's go. But you know one thing I'm surprised about, Vatican से ज़्यादा इधर security है. Vatican was and look at the church, it's so beautiful. Okay, so हम आ गए Venice and this is how fast this lane. I'm in Venice right now and we finally are on the gondola and it is as beautiful as it gets. And we've been in the water for I think about 45 minutes or whatever. And the view is just amazing. And this is Venice, baby. I'm finally crossing Mount Terza and you can see it's so beautiful. और यहाँ पे mountains भी हैं, beach भी है, और हम भी हैं. यहाँ की waves is like out of the world. मैंने यहाँ I've never seen waves like this and the water is insane. Like जितना भी आपको लगेगा. Oh my goodness. These are the streets of Italia. And I swear every street is so different. And Bella Ciao. Money heist was actually the verbal of it was in Italian. So you know next time you watch it, you know it happened from this country. तो जैसे आप देख सकते हैं मेरे बाल हो गए गीले क्योंकि हम जाए अभी उधर से आ गए हैं and the waves I could you know मेरी life के best wave and this is by far my best experience on a beach. And look at the rock and look at the badsha. There's like a bird on the rock and he has not moved an inch. But you know लोग कहते हैं कि mountain है या beaches. इधर दोनों है mountain and a beach. Hi, so we are finally at pizza and look at this. अभी मैं इसे धक्का दूंगी, ready? अब मैंने chills कर दिया, क्या कर सकते हैं? But it is so nice here and इधर का weather. And this is so beautiful, like I can't imagine. तो हम इधर आ गए and I really wonder अगर किसी ने गलती की थी and all of a sudden they're like, it's art, you guys, it's art. बहुत मेहनत से and it's still standing, it's crazy. But हर कोई यहाँ एक ही post कर रहा है, which is the but it's really nice here. Ciao everyone. So we are at the train station right now. And fun fact, by the time we didn't know but we are going to 7 different cities. I think we've already done 3. 3 are down. We have been to Rome. We have been to Florence. And we are, where are we right now? We are at Plaza. And the tower thing, it was so nice. And literally मैंने photos में देखा हुआ है, school में देखा हुआ है, and I saw it and I was like, oh nice, and it was so nice. And now we're gonna take the train and we're gonna go to a really nice beachy area. And then we're gonna go to Milan tomorrow. So बहुत hectic schedule है. That's why I really record. I'm enjoying this so much. But yeah, we're gonna take the train and we are out of here and we're going on a beach. Okay, so we're finally saying bye to Monterosso, and this is the beautiful train station. Look at it. It's so pretty here, and mountains and more than a beach. There's like 7 mountains over there. And an amazing beach. And now we're back and we're gonna go to Milan for the first time, which is gonna be so exciting. But I love that we planned it this way, that we went to 7 different cities in 8 different days. But it's really nice and oh, view every single city. And I'm gonna hop on and we're off to Milan. What's up beautiful? वापस आ गया ये रात नो view. So हम वापस आ गए रात को and it looks even more beautiful. And I'll show you later. पीछे वाला जो जिसने क्राइस्ट का वो सिंबल होल्ड किया हुआ है, he's lighting. वो मैं बाद में दिखा दूँगी, but it looks so beautiful at night. और थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश हो रही है, थोड़ी थोड़ी हवा आ रही है, which looks so nice. And I'm gonna enjoy this night, and I'll see you later. Okay, so we finally finished our coffee, and guess where we are? We're at the Duomo of Milan. Look at this. I I cannot believe that they built this so many years ago. Unreal. And it's a church. This is Starbucks Reserve. और दुनिया में there's only 5 of them और एक है मिलान में और wow. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कॉफी कैसे बनती है. The coffee bean, we got all the machines, and this is the story behind Starbucks. So we're reading the menu, and this is the first Starbucks in Milan, and again it's itself, and it looks beautiful, and you can see the whole process of it. So we finally got our order. We have tiramisu, and we have this amazing new drink, which is like rose something, and we shall dive in the heart of Starbucks of Milan. Okay, so we finally finished our coffee, and guess where we are? We're at the Duomo of Milan. Look at this. I cannot believe that they built this so many years ago. Unreal. And it's a church. So it is currently 4 a.m. or आज है my flight around 12 o'clock, but we have to be at the airport at 9 o'clock. So we're here at 4 a.m. and roaming the city. Finally, not a lot of tamasha, and there's not a lot of vlog here because it's so polluted here. There's so many people. You're like pushing around, but today it's not. So let's go. Wrong numbers came from Rome.